Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of our traded in 2017 Nautique G23. This boat is a 2017. It's a G23 Nautique. This has the 6.2 450 horsepower PCM motor in it. This boat has all brand new interior. Absolutely brand new. Actually, never even been back to the lake with the new interior. New sea decking. This boat is literally for a 2017, looks brand new. It's 160 hours on this boat. Awesome bow. It's got the JL audio. Like I said, it looks almost brand new. It's got the flight tower. Got the nice, because it's a Nautique, you know, you have the nice walkthrough. Has the rear flip seat, pop-up seat there, pop-up seat there, in-floor cooler storage. Come out and check out this. On the helm here, you have the rotary control to control everything. Uses start code. Great surf boat, amazing wakeboard boat. Come on out to MarineMax at our Greenville store and check this boat out. I'll have it online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. 2017 G23, 160 hours, trailer, spare tire, front steps. Awesome boat.